We are the children of evolution. The never-ending progress. From the first spark of fire to the machines that reshaped our world. Every step of progress began with a dream. We made dream of our own. Now the dream is rising. The future is now.
Welcome to Harmonelo Global. We are glad you are here. In the next few minutes, you will discover a completely new way of thinking about health, balance, and personalized nutrition. And we want to start with the most fascinating part of everything we do. Something that is changing the future of probiotics as we know them. Smart Probio. Individual probiotics treatment. Most health challenges today are connected to one key system in the body, the gut microbiome. We analyze your individual microbiome in our own laboratories in the Czech Republic under scientific supervision. Based on this analysis, we produce fully customized, live, liquid probiotics. Each daily dose contains up to 30 billion live, friendly bacteria, combined with prebiotic fiber. No preservatives, no mass production. Smart Probio is for people who want real personalization. Microbiome test. The microbiome test shows the real state of your gut microbiome, including key friendly bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. The test is suitable both for people with problems and for those who want to take care of their health early. Sample collection is simple, painless, and done at home. Based on laboratory analysis, you receive a clear report and recommendations tailored to your microbiome. Because real balance starts with real data. Harmonelo Probio. Not everyone needs fully individualized probiotics, but everyone needs daily gut balance. Harmonelo Probio is a new generation of liquid probiotics designed for smooth digestion throughout the day. It contains 12 carefully selected probiotic strains, treated with gentle tyndalization technology to retain their effect. Each daily dose delivers 10 billion friendly bacteria, supported by soluble fiber and inulin. Probio is a simple daily solution for gut comfort and balance. Harmonelo Beefy. Harmonelo Beefy was developed for targeted support of friendly bifidobacteria, which are essential for gut comfort and regularity. It contains 7 carefully selected probiotic strains, treated with gentle tyndalization technology to retain their effect. Each daily dose provides 10 billion live cultures designed for targeted support, combined with an increased amount of prebiotic fiber for a strong synergistic effect. Harmonelo Lacto. Harmonelo Lacto was designed for targeted support of friendly lactobacilli, which play a key role in gut comfort and intestinal balance. It combines 12 carefully selected probiotic strains, gently treated with tyndalization technology to preserve their effect. The formula is supported by specialized prebiotic fibers, including galacto-oligosaccharides, creating a strong, synergistic effect. Harmonelo Relax. Modern life puts constant pressure on our nervous system. Harmonelo Relax was created to support psychological well-being, daily relaxation, and quality rest. The liquid formula is based on gentle corn fiber, which also supports friendly gut bacteria. High bioavailability, daily calm. Relax is the right choice when your body and mind need to slow down and recover. Harmonelo Flexi. Movement is essential for an active and comfortable life. Harmonelo Flexi was created to support the musculoskeletal system, including joints, bones, muscles, and connective tissue. Flexi is the right choice when you want to move freely and stay active. Harmonelo Immunity. Harmonelo Immunity was developed to help keep your immunity under control every single day. Immunity is the right choice when your body needs protection and resilience. Harmonelo Green. Sometimes the body needs a reset. Harmonelo Green is a liquid blend of green superfoods, including chlorella, spirulina, and young barley. This unique formula supports natural cleansing, daily vitality, and overall harmony in the body. Harmonelo Life. Harmonelo Life is a liquid supplement designed for daily enjoyment, supporting your natural rhythm and overall well-being. Life is the right choice when you want harmony, vitality, and pleasure in one simple routine. Harmonelo Slim Fit. Harmonelo Slim Fit was created to support natural fat metabolism, calorie burning, and metabolic balance. Slim Fit is the right choice when you want to support your goals in a balanced and sustainable way. Harmonelo Vitality. Sometimes the body needs a fresh start. Harmonelo Vitality was created to kickstart the organism, supporting immunity, digestion, regeneration, and detoxification. Vitality is the right choice when your body needs energy, renewal, and momentum. Harmonelo Detox. The body has its own detox systems, and the liver and kidneys play a key role in keeping it clean and balanced. Harmonelo Detox was created to support the normal function of these vital organs and help the body with natural cleansing. That's our product portfolio. Now let's introduce the system that lets you get these products with a discount or even for free and earn along the way. If you're ready, let's get started.
If there was one perfect system for network marketing, have you ever wondered what it would truly look like? Well, for the very first time, that system is finally here. Introducing Harmonelo 3.0, built for leaders like you, designed for growth and crafted for the future. With over 4 years of dedicated development and tens of millions invested, this is bank-grade technology you can trust. So, what do business builders really need today? They need speed, stability, and simplicity. And Harmonelo 3.0 delivers all of that and much more. Experience ultra-fast ordering, just 3 clicks with the convenience of Apple Pay and Google Pay. Whether you're local or global, dealing in multiple currencies, everything happens without any friction. Step into the brand new virtual office. Clean, powerful, and intuitive. Here, you can track your business in real time by monitoring volume, commissions, your team's structure, and activity alerts. Everything is clearly organized, right at your fingertips. Harmonelo 3.0 also comes with built-in growth tools designed to help you succeed. You get team analytics, personalized dashboards, real-time notifications, and an easy drag-and-drop binary structure. Your entire business right in the palm of your hand. With multi-language and multi-currency support, Harmonelo 3.0 lets your business expand worldwide. One system, endless opportunity. We offer the most generous and proven compensation plan out there. Earn from your direct team and even across the line, always transparently and in real time. Our step-by-step duplication system is ready from day one. It includes education, training, and all the tools your team needs to grow and thrive. What makes Harmonelo 3.0 truly unique? It's not agency-made or outsourced. This platform is hand-built, in-house, for the people doing the business. Today, this is the most advanced MLM business platform ever created. Beautiful, powerful, global, and future-proof. Your business deserves nothing less than this. And the future of business starts now.
Now let's briefly go through the compensation bonuses. All percentages are calculated from the point value of each order. 20% from first orders, 20% from your first generation, paid repeatedly, 20% from the second level, 10% from the third. Beyond the first bonuses, the system goes even further. You earn from unlimited depth and parallel structures through the binary system. There is also a matching bonus, paid from the binary earnings of your team leaders up to the 10th level with dynamic compression. As you grow, you can qualify for cash bonuses of up to 250,000 euros. And finally, there are annual incentive trips to exotic destinations, or a monthly car bonus of up to 600 euros. That's the overview for now. For details, please contact the person who shared this video with you. And now, let us say goodbye with a short glimpse into the life of Harmonelo, so you can feel the energy and atmosphere of our community. See you soon. Bye!